Say hi.
That's
Hi,
close.
Did you? Oh, good boy. Look at you. That's a big boy.
He's a couple of weeks away.
Yep. It's not going to be long. See, then it's going to be chaos. Chaos.
Yeah, that'd be great when he can start moving by himself.
Oh, that's the
there
first
you
time
go.
I've seen him roll over.
Yeah.
Oh, he rolls
to
over.
get wherever you are.
Come on, baby. Go get it. Almost.
Come on, Robbie. You can do it. You can do it.
Good job. Go get it, baby. Almost.
He's still rolling a lot, but he's getting really close.
He's doing it. Almost.
He's doing kind of like an army crawl.
Baby steps.
Yep. Good job, Bubba. Keep going.
There you go. You're almost there. It's okay. Take a break. Take a break. There you go.
There you go, Bubba.
There you go.
Get it, Bobs.
There you go. You can do it. You can do it. You're almost there.
You almost got it, Bubba. You can do it. You can do it.
You're almost there. You're almost there, baby.
Oh, now he's getting smart.
He's like, oh, now I'm going to pull this blanket towards me.
Oh, Bubba, you're too smart for Daddy.
Almost. See, you gotta push the butt up. There you go. There you go, baby. Good job. You can do it.
Don't help him, man.
You can do it.
You can do it, Bubba. There you go. That's what you got to do. He's pulling himself.
I know.
Just a little bit more, Robbie. Just a little bit more.
Good
Good job.